Welcome to an incredible miniature off-road adventure, where tiny machines take on giant challenges and every obstacle feels like a mission into the unknown. Today we are entering a world of mud, sand, water, and steep hills, where these powerful remote-controlled vehicles prove that size doesn't determine strength. Despite being small enough to fit in your hands, these miniature off-road trucks and jeeps are built for action and designed to conquer some of the toughest terrain imaginable. As the engines come to life, the vehicles gather near the edge of a muddy water crossing. The drivers prepare for the challenge ahead, carefully choosing their route through a landscape filled with loose sand, rocky climbs, and slippery surfaces. One by one, the vehicles begin their journey. The first challenge is the sandy hill. The tires spin aggressively as the trucks search for traction. Some climb steadily toward the summit, while others struggle against gravity, sliding backward before making another attempt. Every successful climb feels like a victory, and every setback becomes another opportunity to try again. As the adventure continues, the terrain becomes even more difficult. Deep ruts in the sand force the drivers to think carefully about each move. A wrong turn could leave a vehicle stuck or tipped over. Precision and patience become just as important as power and speed. Soon, the convoy approaches the muddy section of the course. The water reflects the sky above while the soft ground waits to trap any vehicle that enters too quickly. Some drivers attack the obstacle with confidence, sending mud flying in every direction. Others move slowly and carefully, protecting their traction and avoiding the deepest areas. The realism of the scene is remarkable. From a distance, these miniature vehicles almost look like full-sized off-road machines exploring a remote wilderness. The detailed bodies, spinning tires, and challenging terrain create the feeling of watching a true expedition in action. Ahead lies another obstacle, a narrow bridge crossing over the water. Each driver must maintain perfect control while crossing the unstable structure. One mistake could send a vehicle into the water below. Slowly and carefully, the trucks move forward, their suspensions flexing as they reach the other side safely. The adventure is about more than reaching the finish line. It is about exploration, teamwork, problem-solving, and overcoming challenges that stand in the way. Every hill climbed, every puddle crossed, and every obstacle conquered tells a story of determination and persistence. This miniature world reminds us of something important. No matter how big the challenge may seem, progress comes from continuing forward, adapting to the terrain, and never giving up after a setback. As the sun sets over the tiny landscape, the vehicles gather once more near the water's edge, covered in mud and dust, carrying the marks of an unforgettable journey. Their adventure may be miniature, but the excitement is absolutely enormous. Thank you for joining this off-road expedition, and don't forget to come back for the next adventure waiting just beyond the horizon.